it out now. You ain't the only one with it. Boom. I'm trying to go get the cake for my daughter like it's a birthday. Can you dig? They tell me they like how I do my little dance. I can't really dance, I be jigging. And I'm about to hop on the flight out to Cali. Free Dashman, they got him in prison. I gotta go sit down and meet with a label. They better be talking some millions. And if not, I go check on the price of the pounds, blow it down and fly back to the city. Like fuck it, let's get back to work. Okay. Blow a kiss at a bitch, I'm a flirt. Nigga play with my people, I gotta get even. He might as well pick out
coming in
hot. Listen to me. Hey, look, that's where your picture gon' be. I know I'm a dog, and I'm off the leash. Flick off the bitch like a flea. You gotta get out of here, Jack. See a bro go and act like a blind. Georgia, I give you a dime. They like Atlanta, I came out of Charlotte. You know that shit took me some time. Okay. And I hold up the family. You wanna be meeting? You better go get on your grind. What you gonna say at the Grammy? Shout out to God, my daughter, and shout out my mom. And oh yeah, bitch, it's the baby. What you heard about me? I put that nigga up. Now niggas acting nervous around me. I'm in the rental truck sticked up like Walker Texas. I'm on my grind like fuck a bitch. I get some pussy later. This pussy bitch done tried to bring the pussy to the table.